Hello and namaste everyone. This is the Indian Bling girl Aarti Chawla. To know how I created this makeup look, keep on watching.
Starting up with prepping the face, which is most important step to achieve flawless and long lasting base. Here I am using Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. This moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. My skin type is combination to oily skin. Next, I'll use Color Essence Primer to fill up the pores on my face, especially on my T-zone. Next, I'll use PAC Shine Kill Primer as it really helps to achieve matte base, which I love. I only like my highlighter to pop on my face. Our next step will be using translucent powder. Here I am using Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. This will help our makeup to stay on for longer period of time. Quickly dusting off the excess powder. Next I'll use MAC Prep and Prime Makeup Fixer to set everything in place and give it 10 to 15 seconds to settle down. Now we are ready for the base. Today I am going to use L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 105 Natural Beige and taking it on the back of my hand and warming the product. Then I'll dot it all over my face. Now I'll take damp beauty sponge and use it to blend the product all over my face. This one is from PAC Cosmetics and works really well. I'll be blending the foundation seamlessly into my skin. Blending is the key, guys. Keep on blending. Blending is a cardio we love to do. Do not forget to blend your foundation into your hairline, on your ears, and do not forget to take it on your neck. Once you're satisfied with the application of your foundation, we'll move ahead and apply some concealer. Today I'm using LA Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory and highlight my face. Around the eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, around your lips and your chin. And I'll take the same sponge and dampen it a little bit and start blending again. I'll take the same product onto my eyelids so that my eyeshadow pops. Take your own time in blending, beauties, because flawless base is equal to unlimited happiness. So do not think much and keep on blending till you are satisfied. Let's move ahead and do some contouring. Here I am using K Beauty contour stick. The shade is Caramel Focus. Quickly mapping the face shape and we'll start blending it again. I'm using the same sponge from the other side. Blend until it's seamless and looks just like shadow on your face. Blend until it looks seamless. And now I am satisfied with the contouring, so I will move ahead and apply lip balm onto my lips. This one is Mamaearth Strawberry Lip Balm. Now I'll use Sugar Face Palette 01 to set my contour. I'll use the same palette for my blush. I do not like to limit the blush only on the apples of the cheek. I like to take it towards my nose. Blending the blush into contour, I also like to take blush on my nose, a little bit on my forehead and the chin. It gives the skin healthy flush of color. I'll take the loose powder now and sharpen the contour of my face and also seal my under eyes. Dusting off excess powder as we don't want harsh contour. Quickly moving ahead and doing my brows. This one is from Nykaa Cosmetics Brow on Point. Brushing the eyebrows first and then filling in the gaps and giving the desired shape as you want. After filling in the color, you need to again brush your brows in order to make them look flawless. I'm done with both my brows and let's move ahead and do some eyeshadow. Today I have decided to use light brown and dark brown shade from this palette. Light brown for my crease and dark brown for my outer corners. If you're using more than one color on your eyelid, make sure you blend them well and make them look seamless. Keep blending until you feel both the eyes are pretty similar and you got the desired shade you wanted. I'm satisfied with both my eyes now and move ahead and apply pack lash fixer glue on my inner eye corner and use just gold glitter because this look is obviously bling bling. I love glitters. You just have to pat the glitter onto your eyelid where you have applied the glue. You don't have to drag it anywhere, just pat it. That's it. And dust off if there is a fallout. I'm done with both my eyes and I'll move ahead and curl my eyelashes and then move ahead and apply my favorite mascara, the Hyper Curl by Maybelline, on the upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. You just have to wiggle nicely. Using makeup fixer to set the makeup. You can also pat it with beauty blender to set it. I personally like to give it time and air dry. Next, applying Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold and highlighting the high points of our face. This step is love. Highlighting brow bone followed by bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow. Oh my god. Can you see that glow? It's blinding and real, okay? I'm not kidding at all. I'll also do my arch because it gives such a beautiful definition to your eyebrows. That's amazing. My chin area. Now I'll take a fluffy brush and start highlighting on the high points of my cheeks and taking it towards the forehead and making the shape C. So when you turn around, girl, you'll look bomb. Highlighting is no joke to me, it's a serious game changer. Moving ahead to the final step of makeup, that is applying lipstick. This lipstick is from Nykaa Mini Liquid Lipsticks. The shade is Bombay 01. Here is my final look, you guys, after makeup. Let's exercise in 3, 2, 1. For jewelry, I opted for Mangtika and statement finger ring. My shoe already has embellishments, so yeah, this is it for the outfit. And here is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video just like I enjoyed filming it for you. Stay tuned guys, and you can also connect with me on my Instagram. I'm super active over there. I'll drop the handles in the description box also. Do check it out.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like and share it with your friends and family. And you can expect lifestyle and fun videos on my channel. Thank you once again for watching, and happy Raksha Bandhan to one and all. Thank you so much. Mwah.